Your electric meter is smarter than you think. Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're unpacking a massive infrastructure shift that is literally changing the way we power our homes, the rapid rollout of rechargeable smart meters. We're going to give you a completely balanced breakdown straight from our sources, looking at both the incredible benefits and the very real operational hurdles of this brand new tech. Here's our quick roadmap for today. First, the new rechargeable meter. Second, the top advantages of upgrading. Third, the disadvantages and new challenges. And finally, best practices for users. Let's get right into it. Section 1, the new rechargeable meter. Let's cover the basic mechanics of how this actually works. So you might be wondering, how exactly does this entirely new system function? Well, the easiest way to think about it is actually sitting right there in your pocket. The core concept here is that your home's electricity is now managed exactly like a prepaid mobile phone plan. You add funds to it, you consume those funds as you use the power, and when the funds run out, the service stops. It is really that direct. It's a total 180 from what we're used to. Under the old postpaid system, you consumed first and paid later. A worker would come by, check your reading, and a month or two later, you'd get a bill. This new prepaid system flips that entirely. You have to recharge your meter in advance. If you don't, or if your balance hits zero, the lights just turn off automatically. There's no waiting for a bill. You are literally paying before you even flip the switch.
Section 2, top advantages of upgrading. This is where it gets really interesting because this tech actually solves some major consumer headaches. The source outlines 7 big advantages here. You get daily reading and bill tracking right on your phone, custom recharge amounts, 0 reconnection charges, highly accurate billing, remote online monitoring, and automatic fault reporting. And a huge one, no bill generated if your house or shop is closed. Let's break a few of the coolest ones down. First up is complete financial flexibility. You aren't locked into those massive surprise monthly payments anymore. If things are a little tight this week, you can just recharge your meter for 50 or 100 rupees. Or if you want to pay ahead and forget about it for months, you can drop in 50,000. You get to top it up with whatever amount you choose, exactly when you choose to do it. And say goodbye to arbitrarily high bills. We all know the pain of barely using the fans or lights, but somehow still getting a crazy bill for 5,000 or 10,000 rupee because of a faulty old meter. With smart meters, the deductions are based strictly on exact, real-time daily consumption. You only pay for exactly what you use. Plus, you are completely untethered from the physical meter box. You can check your daily consumption remotely from anywhere. Whether you're hanging out in Mumbai, Delhi, or all the way in Kashmir, you just pull out your phone and see exactly what's happening with the power in your house. It's fantastic peace of mind, especially if you travel a lot. Section 3, disadvantages and new challenges. Now, shifting to a fully digital, prepaid model isn't all sunshine. It definitely brings some new operational realities you need to be ready for. According to our sources, there are 4 major drawbacks. We're looking at a heavy reliance on network and server uptime, billing complications if the meter itself breaks, the absolute loss of your payment grace period, and the end of getting physical bills delivered to your doorstep. The biggest headache, by far, is the internet connection. Think about server dependency like this. Your balance hits 0, your lights go out. No problem, you pull out your phone and pay to recharge it. The money leaves your bank account perfectly, but because of a server glitch on the utility company's end, the signal never reaches your meter. Just like a failed mobile recharge, a server error here could mean you're sitting in the dark for 4 to 5 hours, even though you already paid. And then there's this number, 15. That's the 15-day grace period you used to get to pay a paper bill. In the old days, you had 2 weeks to sort out your finances before they cut the power. With the new prepaid system, that luxury is completely gone. If your balance hits 0, boom, the power cuts instantly. 0 time given to figure it out. And speaking of paper bills, no one is bringing them to your door anymore. If you need a physical receipt for your business or personal records, you gotta do the legwork yourself. It's a whole multi-step process now. Recharge on your mobile, wait for the digital slip, transfer it to a computer, and print it out yourself. Section 4, best practices for users. Okay, so we know the pros and cons, but how do we actually manage this day to day? The source boils its advice down to one golden rule. Recharge before your balance goes negative. Seriously, treat your electricity meter exactly like the gas tank in your car. You wouldn't wait until the engine sputters and dies on the highway to start looking for a gas station, right? Keep it topped off.
If you see it drop to 50 or 100 rupees, recharge it then and there to avoid any network glitches leaving you in the dark. So the big question is, are you prepared to manage your electricity like a prepaid mobile plan? As these smart meters roll out rapidly, adapting your habits to this new pay-first system is the absolute key to a stress-free, brightly lit home. It demands a bit of proactivity, but the control you get in return is a real game changer. Follow Dilse Electronics for more electrical engineering facts.